Good King Wenceslas. Here we go. So the first thing we need to talk about with this song is the fact that we have got to get from E flat down to B flat in measure 2. The first measure is not bad. Da, 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 da. We're used to that, sort of, kind of. But that second measure, da, 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 E flat, B flat. That is a combination of notes we have not experienced yet. Make sure you work through this E flat, B flat a bunch. And then nextly, you've got to get through the hot cross buns pattern and into the E flat in the next measure. Do, 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 do. C, B flat, C, D, E flat. Make sure you work through that a lot of times. C, B flat, C, D, E flat. C, B flat, C, D, E flat. That is tough stuff. The good news is that this song is actually comprised of 2 4-measure phrases that are the exact same thing. So when you're looking through the first 4, they actually look exactly like the second 4. And that leads me to my next point. The double dot at the end of this song, that means to repeat the song a second time. So you're going to play this first measure 4 times, a total of 16 measures. Let's go math. So keep that in mind as you're practicing and getting ready to record. You're going to have to play this a total of 16 measures, or 4 times of this first 4 measures. When you're practicing, practice slow. Practice just the fingers. Put it on your shoulder like a continental soldier. And work through these buttons. Okay, the more you do that, the better your playing is going to be. As you get better with the fingering, speed up that tempo. For our Christmas performance, we're going to have to make sure that your tempo is at 88 beats per minute. And for some of you guys, that's going to be really challenging. The good news is that you can send me a Canvas recording of yourself playing it 1 time or 2 times and play it slow, and I'll give you a great grade. And then when you're better at it, maybe a week later or so, then you can work on getting the Smart Music part recorded. Lastly, when you're recording in Smart Music, headphones on, make sure I only hear your flute in the recording. If you hit the blue playback button and you hear anything but your flute, that's not going to do good for my recording compilation project thingy. So be sure to redo it again, making sure your headphones are acting correct and you're only getting your flute sound. All right, that's all I got for you. You guys are awesome. I look forward to hearing your recordings. Bye-bye.